Hello guys! Do you want to know how to enable and use two-factor authentication on your WhatsApp app? Let me show you how to use it and how to enable it. This feature is perfect if you want to secure your WhatsApp account. Now open WhatsApp on your device and let's enter the settings of the WhatsApp. It could be different depending on the device which you are using, but in my case we just gotta tap the gear icon at the bottom right. Now here, go to the account section by clicking on it and then go to the two-step verification. Now when here, just click on the turn on option and set any 6-digit PIN code that you can remember. I'll just go with 6 ones and simply confirm your PIN code, and that's pretty much it. You have set the two-step verification, but if you have not the email binded to your WhatsApp account, you will also be prompted to simply connect it. So after you have set up the two-step verification, let's actually improve the security a bit. So again, go to the settings, and now on the settings page, open the account section again and click on the security notifications and make sure it is enabled so you will get notified if there happened any security leak. Now from here, go back and go to the passkeys. Here you can just tap continue and create a passkey for a secure, easy way to log into your account. As you can see, you can use either a Face ID or a Touch ID. And also what I would recommend is sometimes changing email address or a phone number if you have an additional one. So that's it guys, thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips.